We proclaim you now and your mighty power and your awesome majesty. Oh Lord, come upon us now and release your power and let your presence flow. Oh